Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time to learn the video template. And it's the local video template, not the YouTube. That means that the video are in your machine already. And how it looks and how it's implemented in Supermemo is different. If you're streaming the video from YouTube, let's dig into that. Incremental greetings. Let's continue with the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time for the YouTube template, because in Supermemo it's not just text. You can also watch videos incrementally, local videos, or on the cloud if it's from YouTube. Let's look into that.
This is very my content. Why is this an HTML file? Okay, video. That's what.
Okay, that's for local video then.
That was. What the hell? Oh, okay. Sorry. Delete element. Are you kidding me? Why? Okay. Okay, guys. Let's make ourselves a video component, a video template. So Control Shift F2, override. Okay, guys. Let's make.
Okay, so that's an example that Fowl doesn't understand what's happening, the outcome. Basically, he's applying a template that has an HTML component and a video component, but not a pad component, the one that you type in the text. That's why after applying the template, he still has this. If he will show the Ctrl-Shift-O, the component order dialog, we will see that this component, the padding, is extra. This can be solved with the template flags. I have a video on that. That is quite obscure, no worries, and it's actually not required. What you can do is like Fowl, you will just start from scratch, and that's it.
And I want this to be a topic template, so Ctrl-Shift-F2.
Exactly. You want a video to be the video template is for a topic. It's passive review. Then from that, you may want to create flashcards, but a video is not a flashcard.
Move this to the side here. I want a lot of space for my video, okay?
A lot of space, and also what you can do on top of the component layout in the element is to have a different layout. Remember the collection layout, that he has a lot of empty space. You could customize this layout only for videos. So you don't get, for instance, a statistics window, so you have the video as large as possible.
Create a video component. This is not really the right proportions. Okay.
Remember, we have seen to tile components if you don't want to spend time nitpicking the exact pixel. So you get, for instance, the same height as the HTML component, but wider. This can be, we can use that. Then, this is not a YouTube video. This is a local video. So you will need to import or link a local file on your computer.
Okay. Now, about the video, you want to see the panel with the extractor.
Yep.
This is for incremental video. I guess. Yeah, follow Wozniak video for that, and it's the same. You just Control Q, and
remember, Control Q is to import a file to the component. In this case, it's a video component, and those are the file formats. Most of the time, you will be using MP4 or MOV from Mac, and many others are not supported, like the Matroska. MKV.
Add your video here, okay? There's nothing really nothing complicated about this. Having said that, I think we covered pretty much all the...
Okay, that's it. So then let's go by sections. That's actually the local video. It's the video. Remember the video and the YouTube. They are actually different. Now what you see here is the video component. Now select that. Select Ctrl Q. You have noticed there's no border color, so it really doesn't look as if now it's selected. For instance, the other one, I know it's selected because now I have the border in blue, but not for the video. I don't have this feedback. Then Alt Q, and then I will get a video. So now I will just use the videos I'm actually recording. I'm recording those for... So yeah, so look at that. All of those videos, by the way, are from this course. Well, not all of them, but look at that. Since this day, all of those videos are from this course. All of that. Okay, I will be using this one. Then, as the same as the images, that's a video, it goes to the registry. So I will use a meaningful name, incremental loading theme. Leave the imported file on its original location. Yes, I want to keep my video there.
Incremental reading, a journey so bright.
Nice, before I get triggered by the music. And now here, I will take notes. So this content is dummy. This is especially useful if it's a long format video, a video podcast, a lecture. So I will be taking my notes on the side. And then once I finish, I will make the flashcards out of my notes. And then I won't cover the details, but you can make the extracts and so on. It's not part of the template. We will see this on the flow with incremental learning. Then that's the menu of the video component. Don't ever change that. You want to extractor. Then you have full screen. What does it mean? Is that it doesn't rescale to the size of the component. And this goes back to the original place. Yeah. So usually you want that. That's why you want to maximize the space on your layout. Then you can view the file where it is. And I opened this with the VLC in my case because it's my default app for playing videos. This could be a flow if you want to, I don't know, it's too large or whatever, you want this to be played externally. And this is... Sorry, I'm getting the audio.
Journey so bright.
You get the preview. You cannot say no to the preview. Yes, you can. So here you have the buttons, so you can actually stop the video. Nice. Then one last thing, if you have this template for local videos, I super strongly suggest this video, because out of the box, it's very likely it won't work, because the drivers that Supermemo uses are legacy. So with this 7-minute tutorial, you can know how to play local videos. And for the record, this is when I was a noob in August 19th, 4 years ago, that I asked help how to do that. And then some months ago, I found the solution. This applies to videos, local videos only, not for YouTube. So you don't require connection to the internet here. And not all formats work. But for the template, that's all you need to know. See you in the next video.